welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited as I'll be doing a dining room DIY makeover. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get to it. decor. I hope you guys liked everything I did. I like how it turned out. It looks really nice and simple, and my goal was to go for a neutral look, and that's what I got, like earth tones and stuff like that. So I really like how it looks. It's very simple and elegant and modern at the same time, and that's the look that I'm going for, and I really love it. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And also guys, tell me, what did you like my flowers, my centerpiece? Guys, I'm not a florist, but I like how the flower centerpiece came out. I love everything, and most of the stuff that I have here, these are stuff that are already on, and I just kind of recycled them. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. So I'm going to be doing a lot of these home videos, guys, since you requested that you'd like to see more of home decor videos from me, so I'll be giving you that as well. So this is like my home series 1. So yeah, this is my dining room. It's done. I'm almost done with the kitchen and the living room. I just need to put the final touches. So I'll be dropping another video soon for the kitchen or the living room, and I can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out. So thank you so very much again, guys. I have a poll in my community tab. Please guys, go and like and vote so that I know what kind of stuff you guys want to watch, so that I can give you stuff that you want to watch. And yeah, I'm excited guys. I hope you like it. It looks really nice. I love it. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.